So with Microsoft OneDrive, what you can also do is directly create Microsoft Office documents. So to do that, you can go around over here on the new section, as you can see right here. And if you were to click on new, you can see that you can create Word, Excel, PowerPoint files, plus OneNote and even forms as well directly over here from OneDrive. And even you can create plain text document, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and focus on, let's say, a Word document, for example. And if I were to click on it, what happens is that it opens up Microsoft Word Online right here. So it opens up the online version of Microsoft Word, and whatever you type in, whatever you format right here in the online version of Microsoft Word, it automatically gets saved to OneDrive right here, as you can see, just like this. Let me just go around, click on continue right there. And over here, if I were to go to my files, then you will be able to see that particular document right here. So the docx file is here, as you can see. Similarly, you can go ahead and create an Excel workbook over here as well. And that book is created right here. Create a PowerPoint presentation and it gets created right here. And similarly, you can also create OneNote notebook right here. You can create it out, and the OneNote notebook gets saved out over here in OneDrive as well. So this is what you can do, as you can see. And then you can go around over here, create out forms as well. And directly from OneDrive, it redirects to your forms so that you can create it. And you can also create out plain text document, which is a TXT document right here. It's not Microsoft Office specific, but it does provide you with the editor for the text document, as you can see, just like this. And you can go ahead and save it and then edit it out from over there as well. And you can see all of the files are here. So that is how you can go around and create our document. And whatever edits you make to this particular, let's say, for example, documents right here, whether it is a Microsoft PowerPoint right here or Excel right here, just like this, whatever you do, it is automatically backed up onto your OneDrive account itself. So you don't need to manually save it. But if I were to go around over here in my files, you can see that these are here. And that is how you can go ahead and then create out Microsoft Office documents directly inside of your OneDrive. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.